Just, oh gosh. Way too close for my comfort, but I'm not. Just cruising. I'm gonna be filming at this angle. Kind of a goofy one, but it's what's gonna work here. So we're gonna see if we are on the right settings here. So I think the exposure looks just right, but I wanna know if it's recording audio. It was not recording audio the whole time. So as you can see, here, I start recording. Got the boat flying by, there's me right there. It's gonna be excessively loud from here. Following the speedboat today with my FPV drone, and yeah, let's get into it. Well, I think I ran out of storage space on my camera like a couple minutes in, but I'll just play it as like a cool cinematic clip with some music over it. Chase them down over some water, absolutely terrifying. Never get used to that. Our settings are, we got ISO 200, shutter 1/60. So we're way up here on a cliff top, so there is no, we'll kind of show you my location. Right there, that red is, right below me. So there's nothing really inconveniencing my line of sight here. We'll do 20% tilt, not really sure what speed's gonna work best here. And let's get straight into it. We're recording. Like perfect speed right now. Waves out there. Might want to pick up the pace just a skosh. Just so we can keep up. Kind of give them the signal and I'm following them. Go right in front of them. Oh man, the exposure is spot on, at least through my camera here. He's slowing down a little bit, hold on. Let him catch up, there you go. Get right behind him. I want to get the lake shore in there. Now he's cooking. That's so sick. I'm like not mastered flying sideways. So it's just kind of like, you know, I don't think you can fly too good sideways. And keep an eye on the signal. We're doing good. We kind of lost it there for a sec. You got the jet boat coming out too, I hear. That's my brother owns the jet boat. I'm making a whip around. Yeah, it's 63%, so I'm gonna have to turn around here, go way up. And they're going too slow here for what I got going on. Trying to slow her down. Try to slow her down. There we go. Right up behind him here. Just, oh gosh. Way too close for my comfort, but I'm not. Speed up. There we go. A little wide shot there. And I think we got the jet boat coming out. So, before we lose all battery. You guys got like 10 seconds of battery left. They wanted some shots too. They go a little slower, so I'll have to slow her down a bit, which is fine. It preserves some battery here. It would have been nice if they would have coordinated that a little better. 39%, hopefully can all keep just cruising together. I assume they're just going to do like a side-by-side cruise. Should be sweet. Well, get cooking. I gotta see how fast they're gonna go. I feel like take her down on the speed a little. Speed boat goes like 70. Battery, we're at 29%, but we'll see what we can get here. They can't go too fast because the waves are just insane. But we'll try to get, I got some nice shots of the speedboat, so we will focus on this one a little for the remainder of the battery that we got. 26% will probably try to head home at like 15%. Just cruising. At 22%. Not my favorite battery life. They go pretty slow, so it's pretty wavy out there, so I don't blame them. 21% battery. We will probably do this last little cruise here. Try to catch up to them a little, get a little close. Shit. Hauling past. Catch up to him, just go blowing past him. I think he's standing still. What speedboat? Just go flying right over him. I think that'll be it. Getting a little too low on battery, so we'll call that a day. I think that was a pretty successful flight, flying over one of the deepest and like coldest fresh body lakes of water, and getting the shot I just did. No complaints. So. All right, that'll be it for today's flight. I think that was pretty successful. I do have another battery, but that one just has a low voltage warning, which is a little sketchy, and I don't think I want to do that. So I think that'll be it. Maybe I will charge up this battery and head out again before the sun goes down. So maybe that'll be the next vlog. But thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you in, oh wait, follow me on social media, CLK Images and CLK FPV. Like and subscribe, I'll see you in the next one.